You might want to save on storage and want to get rid of duplicate photos on your iPhone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate photos on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. First off, you may want to check if you are updated to the latest iOS version, which is iOS 16 and above currently. So you can go to settings, click on general right here, and click on software update. So wait for your phone to check for update and make sure that it says up to date. So if it prompts you to download and install a specific update, just do so that we will have this specific feature that will be required to remove duplicate photos on your iPhone. Now once you have done that, let's go to the Photos app and make sure that you are at the albums page. Now once you're here, let's scroll down to the very bottom and you should be able to see the duplicates option. So tap on duplicates right here and immediately you should be able to see the duplicates that are listed in here, which includes duplicate photos and duplicate videos. So since we want to remove duplicate photos on our iPhone, for example, I have duplicate photos right here. You can click on merge on this part, click on merge, and click on merge to exact copies. So merging these copies of photos will keep one version of the duplicate that combines the highest quality. So basically it will only keep one copy of that photo on your iPhone, so it will basically save on your storage. So just click on merge to exact copies if you want that, and you can then scroll through this list if you have more duplicate photos that you want to remove from your iPhone. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.